Are you ready to test your understanding of simple future tense? Take this test to find out. Here is how it works. This quiz consists of 20 questions that assess your knowledge of the basic grammar rules for the future tense verbs. So, let's get started. He will arrive on time. Will your folks leave before Tuesday? We won't get there until after dark. We will see what your father says. I don't think I'll go swimming today. It will snow tomorrow. We won't know until we get there. I'll be back before Friday. Will you be at the rehearsal on Saturday? I'm going to the grocery store. I think I'll buy a turkey. The office will send you an email on Monday. Jane is going to come to the party as well tomorrow. My mom will make some cookies for us later. I will get some new clothes next week. I will help you move your things tomorrow. They are going to see the movie with us tonight. Our team is going to win the game this week. The bus is going to leave at 3 p.m. Jim is going to buy some flowers on the way home. We will take pictures in a few minutes. Congratulations on making it all the way through. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. We will upload more tests on English tenses, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. See you in the upcoming videos.